The distance between two eyes is equal to the length of one eye. The bottom of the nose line will be placed in the middle of the eyebrow line and the chin line, okay? So, a lot of you beginners ends up drawing an unwanted creature instead of a beautiful face, and that gives you immense amount of trauma, and that happens the lack of information of the basic measurements of the face. So you don't know how to put the different facial features in correct positions of the face. So in this video I'm gonna give you some tips so that you can draw a face flawlessly. So let's start the video. And first of all, draw a circular shape for the cranium, okay, which will hold the head, okay, and which will be the anchor point for the head. And after drawing the circle, I can proceed with the vertical line which will divide the face into two equal halves vertically, so that we can get the direction of the face and the center point of the face. So let's draw the vertical line here. And for the jaw lines start from the side of the cranium, okay? So let's draw the jaw line here and connect the jaws down to the chin, okay? Like this. So we got the chin here, so we can now proceed for the eyes. And for the eyes, I can use a horizontal line, and I can put this horizontal line in the midsection of the face, okay, so that we can draw our eyes, okay. Here let me put the eye line here, and basically the eye line lies in the center of the face, and it can differ from person to person, and you can move the eye line according to your stylization, okay. So this is the general purpose. The eye line lies in the center of the face, okay. So let's draw the eye line here, and after drawing the eye line, we can now proceed to the eyebrow, okay. So the eyebrow will be placed a ½ inch above the eye line, okay. So let's put the horizontal line here for the eyebrow. After putting the eyebrow, let's proceed to the nose, and for the nose we can divide the eyebrow line and the chin line, okay. So the bottom of the nose line will be placed in the middle of the eyebrow line and the chin line, okay. So let's put the nose line here. And for the mouth, we can divide the nose line and the chin line in exact half, okay, so that we can get our mouth line. And let's draw according to the measurements. So basically it is the halfway point of the nose line and the chin line, okay. So after putting the mouth line, we can now proceed to the ears. So remember, whenever you like to draw ears, so that the ears start from the eye line and finish at the nose line, okay, the bottom of the nose line. So we can put the ear in between these lines, okay. And after finishing the ear, we can now proceed to the hairline, okay. So you might be wondering where the hairline starts. There is a simple rule: measure the eyebrow line and the nose line so that you can get the hairline here. Let's draw the hairline here. And remember one thing, the distance between two eyes is equal to the length of one eye, just like that. So we got all the measurements, and let's draw the facial features according to the measurements. So decrease the opacity, and let's draw the outline here. and give some shadows, and after giving some shadows and cleaning up the guidelines, I made a face of a girl, as well as you can draw face of a boy. It's your choice. This is the final result. If you like this video, hit the like button and hit the subscribe button, okay?